Good morning, team. We had a couple of failures last week and we need to fix them quickly. Let's discuss one by one.
The hydraulic press machine on line 2 had failed due to a faulty pressure valve. It caused an oil leak. We fixed it temporarily, but it was due to the missed maintenances.
Yeah, that breakdown slowed the production, so we'll need to take care of it in the future.
Let's add a weekly check to the maintenance plan. Can you handle that first?
Yeah, I'll report back to you tomorrow.
Let me know if you need to schedule downtime.
Okay.
The conveyor belt jammed because of debris buildup, stopping production for an hour.
Small fab pieces weren't cleared out regularly.
So we need daily conveyor cleaning for that.
I'll assign 2 operators per shift date for that.
I'll schedule a inspection every Friday.
Welding machine overheated twice last week due to low coolant levels.
That could affect the machine as well as the quality.
Okay. Probably we need a sensor-based coolant system to identify that. Can you check the feasibility of it?
Yeah, I'll update you Wednesday.
Until then, I'll ask our operators to check it manually.
Good. Make sure they start today. Everyone clear?
Yes.
Good. Let's get this sorted out before bigger problems arise. Let's have a productive day.
Okay. Thank you.
With one click, byteFACTORY AI instantly converts your meeting into a structured summary, capturing key points, decisions, and action items. Tasks are automatically assigned, deadlines set, and follow-ups scheduled, keeping your team aligned and on track. byteFACTORY AI is not just a recorder, it's your productivity partner. No more manual documentation, no more follow-up confusion, just efficient, AI-driven meeting summaries that keep your team aligned and on track.